Before testing and tell you more about our device, I'd like to finish this pre-test questionnaire first. There are 10 questions. You can write down on this paper. There are 3 more questions. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'd like to briefly introduce the app which helps you to use 2 devices. The first one is time telling in digital watches, and the second one is multiplication table. For digital watch, it's very common nowadays. We mainly. Oh, sorry. Okay, no.
No.
Okay. We mainly focus on the time telling, and it can change the state among these 4 modes. It's just one example. And for multiplication table, it's an app which helps elementary school students to learn multiplication table in a more funny way. Now I'd like to show the device in detail. Looking at your questionnaire, I find that you think smartwatch is very useful, but you never use it. Would you like to buy one in the future?
I think I would buy one. I would not.
You can speak louder and close to the computer.
Stop.
Not stop. Okay. Okay, you can speak louder.
I think I would not buy a digital watch until I really have that interest in using digital watch. I think currently the most common digital watch we see is the iWatch, invented by Apple. But personally, I think it's not as useful as I think. As for me, it does not worth the money, and it does not worth the time. So if a digital watch is really useful and can simplify many ways of my daily life, then I will surely buy it.
Okay. And you are often use some electronic devices, so I think you're very familiar with these icons. It's setting, right?
Yes.
And you can set the thing you like, and you can drag the slide block, and it will make a sound in that volume, so you can better adjust the volume to the one you like it. And there are 2 tasks for you to learn. You can try it. Yeah, you can click it. Yeah, click it, and it gets into this page. Actually, when you get into this page, it will make sound like welcome to digital watch, to inform that you are in this. And when you are get into a new page, it will vibrate to indicate you that you are in a new page. And there are 2 ways for you to learn. The first one is watch the video and you can return back, and the second one is see how it used. And actually when you put your mouse pointer on the text, it will read the sentence for you, so you don't look at this long boring sentence. And when you put it again on the picture, it will dynamically show you how it works. Like this one, actually the finger will press on the bottom A for you better understand. And there are 4 models. If you choose, you can. Oh, okay, this stop. You can try this, and there are 2 models to tell you what the number and the symbol means. And you can also save time if you like it. For multiplication table, actually, this should be in the same device, but before the Xcode problem, I put in the 2 program. Yes, you can try it. It's just like the one. Yeah, you see then you click it. You click it, and you just use finger point to log in, and there are 4 more for you to choose. Okay, yeah, you can calculate it and to get the answer, and you can also get feedback from the study analysis. So what do you think of this software?
I think it's quite efficient, and I think, well, it helps the students very much because it can visualize those learning materials instead of a teacher standing in front of blackboard and telling things. I think using an app may offer the students more initiative and
to attract their attention.
Yes, they may be more focused on what they are doing, what they are looking at.
Yeah, it's a funny way. And do you think the sound and some vibration is necessary when you're using an application?
Yes, I think so.
Do you think it may disturb you to some degree?
Well, to me, I think it will not. I may only be distracted by some. For example, if you put a flash or some very interesting pictures on the side of the screen, I will be distracted. But I think normally we are directly focused on the main body of the screen.
Okay, thank you. Before you leaving, I'd like you to again finish this post-test questionnaire. Useful, 1 means useful and 5 means useful. You can choose one number you think.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye.